Okay guys, thanks for your patience. It is just around 2:45 on Monday the 15th of August 2022, and this is a 1 week view of the market, or more specifically the Vanguard S&P 500 exchange traded fund. If we look back here to February, March 2020, we can see the dip from the COVID effect. That was recovered again by around about June, July. And the market has continued its normal rise ever since, up until around about January, February this year, due to the crisis in the Ukraine. And as we can see then, from sort of the end of June, the recovery has taken off. So if we slide this up a bit, you can kind of see that in more detail. The American market opened about 15 minutes ago. Currently for the day we're sitting positive about 0.75%. And we're going to go ahead, sorry, just to point it out, we're currently with a portfolio sitting positive 7.17%. We're going to go ahead with our weekly buy of £120 worth of stock, and that'll increase the portfolio value. And as time happens and the market gets to work on that, a 0.75 or whatever increase will be multiplied up by the number of shares that we're holding. So currently that's just under 37 shares. Let's see if that has, I would imagine that has executed. Yep. And there we are. So yeah, I mean, if you just have a look at that, if you had invested whatever the amount is in the bank, you would not be seeing anything like that return at present. Even the best performing ISAs, I don't think, are offering anywhere near 7%, never mind sort of a 10% per annum average, which is what you can expect from the S&P 500. Guys, just to mention, this is my first time using OBS for a live stream, so apologies if it comes across a bit clunky. It's the only way that I could find, not the only way, but one of the only ways I could find to do it live, and I think it's always much more meaningful if you can run a broadcast live as opposed to pre-recorded and then uploaded, because by the time you finish recording and maybe editing, you could be half an hour down the line. So that was in real time, and hopefully the quality will be better as well than what it has in the past. So no doubt it's hopefully transparent to anybody watching. Not obvious that there's any particular change, but I'm optimistic for the future. It does seem to save me a bit of time, and I believe it will also increase the popularity of the channel, which currently is pretty low. So if you wouldn't mind giving the video a like, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, if you would do that as well. And from what I hear from other people, if you would even like to leave a comment, a question, or a criticism, please do so below the video, and that is all to the good. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great end to your Monday, and I'll be back again next week with